it's Adrena here. Sorry if it's a bit loud. It's a leaf blower. They're mowing the lawn. So that's why it's so, loud. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go in my backyard to make it so loud. Hang on. Alright, so I'm now in my backyard. So if you hear a little bit of noise, I'm not sure you can. Yeah, I probably can now. So anyway, today I'm gonna be showing you a preview of my new my dad's new truck and my mom's new car. So that's what's going on today. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the truck first. Alright guys, here is the grand reveal. So anyway guys, that's it for today. Woo! Alright, so it's not as loud now. We're really far away. Way over there. Like way over there. Oh, look. So, way over there. And, so yeah. That's my neighbor right there. One of my neighbors in the white shirt. In the white shirt, right there. So, yeah. That's it for today. And I will see you guys next time.